Today I'll be showing you how I use only one ingredient to nourish, soften, moisturize and condition my hair. Those of you with dry brittle hair, you should try out these masks. If this sounds like something you would like, do consider watching the video to the end. I will make you into a great nation, and I will bless you. I will make your name great, and you will be a blessing. Genesis 12 verse 2. We'll be making use of oats for this mask. Oats has been known for its ability to nourish and moisturize the hair. Oats is excellent for dry, fussy hair. It is great to moisturize and trap in some moisture into your dry hair. So you're going to be measuring out 2 or 3 tablespoons of oats. I would like you to know that this doubles in size, so beware of the measurement. Then go ahead and pour in your water. Stir to combine. Then we are going to be cooking this on the fire for at least 10 minutes. We are cooking it so it will soften. You will cook it until you notice the cream thick consistency. You know that it is ready for the next process, which is blending it into a thick creamy paste. Blend until you notice the creamy consistency without any lumps. Then you go ahead and sieve it using a cheesecloth. I am just trying to briefly explain to you how to prep this before I tell you the benefit of it. Like I said before, measure out your oats, pour in some water, cook till you notice it is very thick and soft. Then go ahead and blend it before you sieve it. For the benefit, oats is rich in beta-glucans, which can help retain moisture in the hair, making it soft and manageable. Oats has anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm irritating scalp. Oats contains protein that can help fortify the hair shaft, reducing breakage and split ends. The amino acid in oats can help improve hair elasticity, making it less prone to breakage when being detangled. Oat masks act as a natural conditioner that can help define the coils and reduce frizzes. It is great for fussy hair. The vitamins and minerals in oats, such as vitamin B, zinc and iron, nourishes the hair and give it natural shine. I have heard a lot of great things about the oat mask. This is just me trying to find out what it will feel like on my hair. If you have used this oat mask on your hair and it was great, comment in the comment section. Let others learn from your experience so they will also try it. But for me, I am just trying this mask for the first time. Based on the texture and how it feels, I know that this mask is going to be great on my hair because it feels so creamy, so moisturizing already. I just can't wait to put it on my hair because I know it will be of great benefit to my hair. So this is the chaff that came out of it. We are going to be throwing away that one. This is the cream, the oat milk cream that we got out, and we'll be using this on our hair. Next is for me to show you how I use it for my hair. You can now go ahead and add any oil you want to add. Coconut oil, almond oil, any other essential oils that you want to add. This is the time for you to add them. Now I am going to show you how I apply this to my hair. If your hair is getting frizzy or breaking a lot, use this mask. Now let's apply. I have already sectioned my hair into 6 workable parts. I'm starting off on a clean hair. Nothing was applied, no conditioner, no oil, just clean hair. Apply on a clean hair so you get the best results. Do not apply on a dirty hair or already conditioned hair with oil and butters. Make sure your hair is clean before you apply it without products. Join my membership. The link will be in the description to get access to membership shout-outs, pictures and status updates, members only chat room, discounted merchandise, members only video. This and more is what you get when you join the membership. Like and comment. If you're not a subscriber yet, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm just going to let you guys watch the video to the end. we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day. See you in my next upload. Bye.